guys, and welcome back to another tried and tested series video. Today we are going to go to a vintage shop and do some shopping there. So we're heading to Dublin Vintage Factory, which is based on the quays, and they sell their clothes by the kilo, so it's €20 for a kilo. We're going to try put an outfit together and see if it will cost that much. We're on our way now, so let's see how it goes. Unreal. So
yeah, so 11.
11, that's so good. That's a whole outfit, like.
So that one's 16.
That's good.
Yeah.
So I'm just out, and that was my outfit. The dress was too big, but with a belt, I mean, you can make anything work. And then I really liked the shirt. That was probably my favourite thing. The coat, loved the colour, but it was massive on me, unfortunately. But I was really pleasantly surprised with the prices. I thought that outfit was going to come to about 30 or 40 euro, and it was like 26. I knew with the coat that would add quite a bit of weight to it, so yeah, I'm really impressed. The shop is so cute, like, and being on the quays, it's really easy to find, because the one in Smithfield I find is quite out a bit, so I never find myself popping in whenever I'm in town, but now I will. And yeah, shop is a very different idea to any of the other shops in, like, any of the other vintage shops in town, because it's all like directly out of the bag, so like it's all kind of crinkled. You really have to like look around for it, but if you find something, you're doing so well. So it takes some time to go shopping in there, but it's worth it for the price you're gonna get something nice for once you have a bit of a gander. So tried and tested. I think we made an outfit, yeah. So like, if you're just going for the skirt and the dress, we actually did make a whole outfit for under €20. In fact, it was only 11, so there you go. Tried and tested, vintage kilo store. It's a good one.